Hey, Bernie Dog here. Over the last couple of years, I've seen an increasing number of people have problems with what direction to turn the spindle control on their Svea 123. I've seen this both in email questions asked of me and also on discussion forums on the web. If you already know how to do this, you can just go skip this video. To turn the stove off or to lower the flame, you turn the spindle to the right, that's in a clockwise direction. To open the spindle and increase the flame or eventually get to the clean setting, you turn the spindle to the left or a counterclockwise direction. So here I have my 123R that's been running for about 5-6 minutes. It's nicely preheated. I'm going to demonstrate how to do this. We go to off by turning clockwise. We open it by turning counterclockwise. And now the stove is on. To clean the jet, turn the control all the way to the left, that's counterclockwise, and the needle will protrude through the jet and clean the orifice in the jet. Let's watch this a few more times to make sure everybody's got it straight. This stove has been running about 9 minutes. You can see it's a powerful blue flame, clear blue flame, no yellow tips, with an upright flame pattern. This is what you should be seeing on your Svea 123R. If not, check the description box below for some links to the repair videos I've made. Let's review. Lower the flame or turn the stove off by turning to the right. Increase the flame or clean the jet orifice by turning to the left. Okay, so I hope this has helped you understand what direction you should be turning your control spindle on your Svea 123R. For those of you who watched this and already knew this, again, my apologies, but if you weren't clear on it, hopefully this helps you get it squared away. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, and subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications.